Yo, what's going on, man? It's your host Nas here, man. You already know we back on Turbo View TV, man. It's gonna get crazy, and that's why we call it Turbo View TV, because we have stuff like this, man. Insane builds, man. This is what we like to see on the channel, and if it ain't like this, man, you just can't come to Turbo View TV. I'm sorry, you're not affiliated with us, all right? You gotta go somewhere like the stock channels or something like that. I don't know what they call. Got the owner right here. He's gonna tell us what's done to this crazy F1, man. This thing is insane. You basically might as well call it an F1 at this point. It's faster than my car, so I can't even talk. But we're gonna put him on camera. We're gonna see what's done to the car. Well, truck. Let me put that in there. Truck. It's not a car. I'm too used to saying cars, but yeah. What's done to the car, man? Let's know.
So it's a 5.0.
Yep.
Twin turbo, twin 67 billet, ceramic turbos.
Okay.
All custom built suspension. It's been dropped 5 in the front, 7 in the rear.
Oh wow.
It's got cow tracks in the back, rear gear, electronic locker, electric dumps.
So with the rear gear, what is that doing for the truck? Is that like kind of like independent? Okay, all right.
4-wheel drive. Launches real hard.
Oh wow.
Nice truck.
Yeah, this thing is sick. How much power are you making? You don't want to really put that on there.
Yeah, I mean, it's making like
right.
600, maybe 800.
600-800. We don't know. Maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000. You know.
How much you want to push the dial?
Right. That's the thing with the dynos, though. People don't understand. When you're trying to, dyno something, it don't matter what it is. Unless it's a Mustang, you might get your true number. But other than that, anything else, you might get 200. I've seen it happen. My friend had a 900 horsepower Pro Charge C7, and the dyno number literally popped up 237. You guys go look at that video, and it was insane, man. We was just laughing at him.
No joke. That's a call out, whatever you want to call it. It's the fastest truck in the county.
Already know.
Area.
Fastest truck, easy, man. Easily the fastest truck, man. These turbos are big turbos, not small at all. You can just see, man. Nothing but induction right there, man. And it's properly built. You can tell it's properly built, man. You can just see how everything's literally fitted nice. Turbo's literally even. Everything's looking pretty good in there, man. So I can't hate on that. Some people, they have builds and things. It don't really look that quality. You know what I'm saying? Unless they took it to a crazy shop. What shop you take it to? Okay, so he got his own shop. You want to shout that out?
South Ave Auto.
South Ave Auto, man. You guys go there if you're in Rochester, New York. You go to South Ave Auto. Get anything done in your car. You want to get anything fixed, a tune-up, whatever it is, man. Go check him out. That's my boy. And obviously he does some crazy work. So yeah, I would trust him with my car, and I'm gonna probably take my car to him anyway. So yeah, thanks for letting me know that. So you think I can do something with my car? So I got a twin turbo. Wait, hold on, let me turn this off.
Yeah, let's get out.
I know you guys here to idle on this thing. There's a whole nother spot, but we had to leave and go somewhere else real quick, man, because yeah, this thing is crazy, man. Oh man, you can just hear. You can already tell it's gonna be a crazy ride.
You're making us sleep. Hold on.
Oh, now it's quiet. All right. Is it ever gonna get loud again though? I don't know. Yeah, now it's on the quiet mode now. That's crazy. I like how this thing is. We're gonna hop in though, go for a quick ride, and you guys gonna see how crazy this truck actually is.
Turn this on.
Now it's in sport. Oh wow. Definitely had a difference there. It's crazy, man. Yo, right? Damn, that was crazy, man. truck weigh anyway? Like 7,000 pounds or something?
No, like 48.
48? Okay. Is crazy. How much you want to sell this for? Like, yo, this is insane. Yo. It's crazy how fast this truck is, man. I'm just sitting here, I'm lost for words. Lost for words. Man, this thing is insanely fast, man.
And when the cops come up, just shut her down.
Cops come up. It's in quiet mode now. Now you can actually hear me. You probably couldn't even hear me the whole time, but now you can hear me. This thing is insane, man. I'm telling you right now. Man. Yo. All I'm gonna say is, yeah, it's spinning too. You can feel that easily. And it's just like, it just want to go, honestly. This truck don't like being in sleep mode.
She likes to be open.
Right. Nice little quiet neighborhood. Hope to not wake anyone up, right? People might be asleep, who knows? But who cares? Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, like people don't expect this truck to be doing what it's doing because like it's a truck. And when it does it, they're like, oh, yeah, that's something's done to that. Most people probably refer to the Fast and Furious movies, right? They're like, oh, I don't expect that. This thing is insane, man. Woo. Yeah, man, this thing is insane. You guys seen it here first, man. Turbo View TV, man. Bringing some heat. Bringing some heat. This thing is insane. Damn, this thing is insane. Yo, this thing is insane.
That just scared out that guy.
Yeah, that guy's like, I want to get home to my wife.
Damn, street racers.
Yeah, he's like, I want to get home to my wife. I didn't sign up for this. Whoever would have been behind you right there, which is him, his ears don't work anymore. I'll tell you that much. Yo, so we just finished up the video, man, with the Ford F-150. That thing is insane. Like, I'm literally, like, I'm at a loss for words, honestly, man. Like, I'm at a loss for words. That thing was absolutely crazy, man. Like, that thing was fast, man. Probably, that was the fastest truck I've been in. And I can easily say, I want me a truck that fast. Because, like, that was fast, man. That was fast. Props to him. Props to him. And like I told you guys earlier in the video, you know where to find him, South Ave Auto. And yeah, you can get your car hooked up or something like that. I don't know if he's going to be able to do something like that for your car. You might have to ask him, but I don't know, man. I don't know. But check him out. Make sure you do that. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Do all that good stuff because I don't want you guys missing out on no more content. It's nothing but crazy content on Turbo View TV, man. We up there with 1320. We up there with that racing channel. Yes, I'm saying it. Yes, I am saying it. So subscribe right now so you don't miss no more content. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.